Hi, we are Group 2. We will present about numerical dating. For our Geochronology lesson and our lecture is total 15. And I would like to introduce my group member.
Thank you.
After introducing my group members, I would like to introduce about numerical dating. Numerical dating is also known as absolute dating, but some scientists prefer the terms chronometric or calendar dating. This is because the word absolute expresses an unjustified certainty of accuracy. Unlike the relative dating that puts geological events in time order, the numerical dating is more specific since it gives rocks an actual and exact date or date range in number of years. There are many examples of techniques used in numerical dating to determine the age of rocks and fossils.
Next, for the technique, we have a radiocarbon. So, age range of application from the 1 to the 70,000 years. So, that material dated is for organic materials such as bone or wood, coker. So, that metal use a radioactive decay of carbon 40 in organic matter after removal from the biosphere. Next, we have a gallium argon dating. It age range population from the 1000 billion of year, and that's material dated for the potassium that bearing mineral and glasses. So that radioactive decay of potassium 40 in rock and mineral. Next, we also have uranium lead. So for the age range of application, it from the 10,000 billion years, and that material used is radium that to bearing mineral. That radioactive decay of uranium to lead via to separate decay chains. Next, we have also uranium series that can be used from 1000 to 15 years for the range of application, and that material dated for the uranium that being bearing mineral, coral, shale, and also carbonate. So that radioactive decay of uranium 234 to thorium 230. Okay, next we also have a fission trap. For the age of application, it from 1000 billion of year. That material uranium bearing mineral and the glasses, and the methodology of this technique used for the measurement of damage threat in glass and mineral from the radioactive decay of uranium 238.
Well, the next method is luminescence, optically or thermally stimulated. The range of application is 1000 to 1 million years. The material dated are quartz, feldspar, stone tools, and pottery. The methodology is burial or heating age based on the accumulation of radiation which induce damage to electricity in mineral letters. Next, electron spin resonance. The age range of application is 1000 to 3 million years. Material dated is uranium-bearing material in which has been absorbed from outside sources. The methodology is burial stage based on the abundance of radiation which induce paramagnetic centers in mineral lattice. The next method is cosmogenic nuclides. The range of application is 1000 to 5 million years. The material dated is typically quartz or olivine from volcanic or sedimentary rocks. The methodology is radioactive decay of cosmic ray generated nuclides in superficial environment. Name of methods: magnetostratigraphy. The range of application is 2000 to billion years ago. Material dated is sedimentary and volcanic rocks. Methodology is measurements of ancient polarity of the Earth's magnetic field recorded in a stratigraphic succession. The last one is tapochronology. The age range of application is 100 to billion years. Material dated is volcanic ejecta. Methodology uses chemistry and age of volcanic deposits to establish a link between distant stratigraphic successions.
Even though numerical dating is a popular dating method among scientists and geologists, there are some disadvantages and advantages of this method. The advantages of absolute dating are the radioactive dating, which can be used to date materials such as rocks, and it's usually based on comparisons. Next is the most important piece of evidence for determining the absolute age of rocks and other geological features, as well as the age of the planet Earth. Besides, it can be used to data extensive natural and man-made material and used in geochronology to institute the geological timescale. Meanwhile, the disadvantages of absolute dating are due to the incorrect setup where many of the dates utilized with this method are incorrect. The dates could not be consistent over a long period of time. This method also suggests an unjustified certainty and precision, and it only provides an order of events.
In conclusion, our group has presented about definition, functions, examples, advantages and disadvantages. Last, I need to mention that numerical dating is important since it is a popular dating method among scientists and geologists, and it can determine the age of rocks, fossils, and artifacts. That's all from our group. Thank you.